How to log in to Yahoo Mail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Yahoo Mail. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for mail.yahoo.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Yahoo. So, go ahead and tap on the sign in option you see on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the login portal of Yahoo. So, go ahead and enter your username, email, or mobile number and tap on next. If you have forgotten your username, then you can tap on the forgot username option and recover your username. You can also simply continue to sign in to Yahoo with your Google account. Here, we will log in with email. So, once you have entered your email, tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password, and if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the forgot password option and recover your password. Once you have entered your password, tap on the next button, and with this, you will be successfully logged in to Yahoo. So, this is how you can log in to Yahoo Mail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.